How to close Deribit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily delete or close the Deribit account successfully. First of all, open any web browser on your desktop or your laptops, and in the URL box, type in deribit.com and search. Soon after you do that, you'll find yourself in the official website of Deribit, from where you'll need to go to the top right corner and mouse over the human icon, and from the menu, click on Account Settings. From the Account Settings page, scroll all the way down and look for the Close Account button. Click on it and click on the square box to ensure you have downloaded all the transaction logs and ready to proceed. Before closing your account, make sure to download all of your logs for future references. You cannot download files from closed accounts, nor can Deribit provide this for closed accounts. So go ahead and download all the necessary information first. And once you've done that, click on Close Account. Now you'll receive a mail. Go ahead and open up your inbox on a new tab. Now click on the email from Deribit, click it open, and from here you'll need to confirm your account removal. If you're sure you'd like to delete your account and continue with the deletion, click on this link where it says confirmation link. Simply click on that and you'll be proceeded towards the deletion. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to remove your account for sure. Remember, if you have any active trades or remaining balance, you will not be able to close your account. Account closure is usually permanent. If KYC was completed, your data may still be stored for legal compliance. So that is it. Don't forget to check if your balance is zero, withdraw all crypto funds to your wallet, close any open positions, and cancel all open order before deleting your account. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.